Kohberger's attorneys first filed for the death penalty to be dropped in early September, with more filings over the last 2 months. Today, Judge Stephen Hippler heard the arguments for and against the possible sentence that's still on the table for now. The defense is seemingly throwing everything they have at Judge Hippler, raising arguments from the availability of the drugs used for lethal injection to what they call the cruel and unusual use of firing squad. The defense used Idaho's recent botched execution of Thomas Creech as an example of the state not having the means of execution. Judge Hippler echoed the prosecution's argument that anyone sentenced to death row now would not be executed for several years, so any argument over execution method isn't timely. The defense also spoke on the time it's taken to get Kohberger's case prepared for trial, saying Kohberger had to choose between the right to a speedy trial and effective counsel, putting him in the position of standing trial almost 3 years after the murders.
That would result in the death penalty being struck in every case.
Your Honor, if that's the case, then that's the case.
The state responded, saying the defense was aware of the repercussions when relinquishing the right to a speedy trial. Now that they want to go back and change their decision, it would be inappropriate. More than 12 motions were gone over by the court, all rooted in removing the death penalty. Now, no final decision came down this afternoon, but we'll continue updating you here and on idahonews.com with information as we get it. The trial date, which was originally set for June of 2025, will now take place in August of 2025 with a pre-trial date set for May. Reporting in the studio, I'm Savannah Hankard.